as a representative and a member of the ICOM International Council of Museums Working Group on Sustainability, established in 2018, and 14 people with a clear mission to help ICOM to mainstream SDGs and the Paris Agreement, and also to support its members to contribute to SDGs. The message here is the network already existent, because we have 141 countries already involved and 40,000 people. So the ICON working group is trying to approach these issues with different approaches. And we are here already convinced that museum can play a key role within society, but for the most part of the museums, they are unaware of what they can do, and so underused in relation for climate, environment, biodiversity, social justice issues. So to give my contribution, I forgot. No? Yeah, ICOM. And my contribution, I wrote a book this year to give about many topics to help museums professionals to start a path towards sustainability. There is also a model to start evaluating and improving sustainability in different domains, not only environmental, because climate change is a social justice issue. And there's a part, obviously, I'm an architect, dedicated to the building, the systems, the indoor environment for the well-being of people and the collection. But today, the topics are written there. I want to go on, because the slides are online. But today I want to focus and I want to question a different aspect about the extended museum. A concept to me too underestimated. There are a lot of things written there, and also the resolution number 1 of the General Assembly of ICOM in Italy in 2016, dedicated to the extended museum. And what does it mean because museums have a responsibility towards the landscape to protect cultural and natural heritage. And I recall here also the SDGs 11.4, strengthen efforts to protect and safeguard the world's cultural and natural heritage. And I think who better than museums? And we have a lot of challenges here. And first of all, the first question is, the museum is sustainable. Am I sustainable? In how? In what way? And then take a leadership role within society, creating also partnership with the local government. And in which way? Then I bring 2 examples, trying to highlight these aspects. The first one is about a museum, Museum, in a science museum in Trento. And it's doing a great job on many topics that we can deepen later. We have all the aspects here. It's a green building, a research center on climate, landscape, culture, conservation, ecology. It concerns environmental education with workshops, outdoors, learning, citizen science, mobility. And also it's connected with the landscape and the territory with other museums and with the institutions and the local government. And also is doing a lot of things with exhibitions, permanent and temporary. But in Italy there are 5,000 museums, and what they are doing, so it's a question. And the last example that I want to bring is about the role of collections and contemporary art, because at the core of museums there are collections. We have started to discuss this aspect, And really, I want to focus on this aspect, the role of collections and contemporary art. Here, there's an example, because I think that contemporary art can create, and collections, new exhibition can create a new messages to let people think in a different way. Create also new layers in the existing exhibitions and collections. I bring an example of a magical and really amazing project, Atelier de Camouflage, an environmental installation to foster actions of safeguarding, reuse, enhancement of the landscape, a UNESCO World Site Heritage. And it's a project that starts inside a building and takes art in the landscape. So I want to suggest also adding layers of knowledge and do some things in a different way. Thank you.